Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add a friend or someone in Fortnite. Let's say I want to add one of my friend. To do that, I need to first click on my profile picture. From over here, I need to click on the people looking icon over here. Once I click on it, it is going to show me all my friend. But I want to add a new person. So I need to click on the person with the plus icon. Once I click on the person with the plus icon, at the top it is going to give me the search bar. Now over here I need to enter the person's display name, which means whatever name he uses in Fortnite, that is the name you want to type here. So the friend who I want to join or who I want to add as a friend, his name in Fortnite is Gamer123. This is his Fortnite name. So I'm going to search for it and it is going to show me like the player who has this name. So these are all the player who has similar name to Gamer123. As you guys can see, Gamer1234. So you want to scroll and you want to see the name perfectly. So this is the person I want to add, 12341863. Now remember, every person has a unique username or display name, so do not get mixed up because your friend is only going to have the name which belongs to him. He's not going to have a name which is similar to anybody else. So don't get confused. So this is the person I want to add. I need to click on his name and click on add friend. And a friend request is going to be sent to him like this. And if he accepts it, then both of us will be added as friend. So that is how we guys can add friend or find friend in Fortnite. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.